Hi, welcome back. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. For all crypto, normally they'll follow the direction of this Bitcoin because it's a big voice. Okay, so we find that it break down from our previous low. Last week, the high of last week is not broken yet. We see a small bar down here. This is a weekly chart. It's not ended. It will end by this week, this coming week. So if we see that it go over, then we will be more bullish. So even with a long tail, we still need to see that it go over. Long tail, and when it go over, it become bullish. You might pull back something like this. Okay, so like for example, long tail here come down, crossover, then it will be the trend might change. So this is more like a hangman. This is a hangman. It's more like a hammer. So let's look at here. We have this downtrend line down here, which actually is where the selling pressure is. Selling pressure, whenever it come here, there will be selling pressure. So a break of this trend line will actually release the selling pressure and will move up. Or we say that now people like to use liquidity. So it's actually the same thing. So if you break this side, all the shorties will need to cover short. So there will be liquidity, so called, and you cover. So we do not know which area, but mostly the previous support area and resistance area might be one way to gauge that where the shorties might cover shorts. But anyway, for pure charting, this is the downtrend line. They act as a short-term resistance, also called momentum. If the momentum is break, so maybe it will not go down further, it will go sideways. Okay, it might go sideways or even go up. But if it's not break, you might say that the momentum continue and you might go and test the low down here. So for this, we are not very sure yet. We need it to cross over, and this low down here should not, this low here should not break. This low here. So I think it coordinate with this low. So this low down here, we should not break this low. So if this low hold, then we might see there are chances to recover back up if we break this downtrend line. Okay. So similarly, when we look at our day chart, we see that there is a rebound, a very steep rebound. Then we see that there's a small pendant down here. Small pendants sometimes are dangerous because it seems that it might anytime break downwards, break downwards. So we have this small pendant. So we need a break from this trend line to confirm, and also a break back up to the previous low down here. So we will need to see. Temporarily, this will be the region that it might swing around. A break of this low will confirm a continued trend. So overall, maybe I'm influenced by S&P that actually break the previous week high. So I might be affected. But if without any, just purely by chart, I would say that the downtrend is still continue. There is no break of resistance, no break of momentum, and the support is still at this region. The support is still at this region. But because I have some other thinking, so I think that it might try to test this resistance line. Well, anyway, we'll only know when it come down here. So I'm actually keeping an eye on how it react around this area, and how this small pendant or this small bar will turn out to be. Well, let's see. Okay, so for now, that will be all. So I will see you next time. Do remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any comment, please write on the comment section below. Thank you. By the way, this is only your opinion, so please do your due diligence if you are trading. It's just a for study of support and resistance. Thank you.